right now, I don't think there is any industry in the world or any business that isn't actually feeling the shock. Okay, so right now it's not about whether we think we should think differently. Everybody has to think differently. How much do you think, first of all, the consumer habits will change? How do you think, how much will we have new normal that is being, the new thing, and how do you think this will impact? Specifically here, we're talking about the traveling and event industry, an industry that has suffered a lot since the very beginning. So
Completely.
How much do you think that the attitudes are going to be shifting?
I see the attitudes shifting a lot. I see every business is going to literally have to take apart the bits and pieces that were clumped together. So for example, let's take a restaurant. You have a restaurant. It's like, hey, we seat X amount of people and we turn tables every hour and 20 minutes and blah, 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 blah. So they can calculate where's the profit, where's the this, where's that, da, 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 and the amount of revenue that you're going to generate. Now, if that's their model, they're screwed right now. But the smart ones have done this. They're going, wait a second. We still have the ability to produce food. Our current model was we did it so that we delivered to our location, which is our restaurant. Well, why can't you deliver to a car that loves your food, but is willing to just pull up and now take it home? Okay, so we need to literally start pulling apart the pieces that were integral. A great example was there's a movie theater chain where we are in the middle of America, in the Midwest. They came up with this bright idea. What are movie theaters known for? Popcorn. And anybody that knows the movie industry, where do the movie theaters make their money? The concession stands. They don't make it from the movie theater attendants. They make it from the concession stands. So you buy your soda, you buy your Twizzlers, you buy your popcorn, you buy your Milk Duds, whatever the hell crap you buy, right? So the thing is, what they did is they actually made it so they took popcorn. They said, hey, we will make popcorn for you. You get our delicious popcorn. And you can, if you want, you can buy gift coupons for future performances. So they had a price point for that, and you would get a free bag of popcorn. If you didn't want to buy the gift coupon, the gift card, you could just buy the popcorn and bring it home and watch it home while watching Netflix. So all of a sudden they turned what was clumped together, they sifted it out. And I would say the same thing very much for the travel and event space is that's been clumped together. Travel was a means to get to someplace, unless you were going for vacation, in which case it was destination. But you have travel, you have destinations, you have events. Three things clumped into one.
Yes.
Now they need to be pulled apart because travel right now is not an opportunity as much as it is a barrier. But an event still has value. So I have companies that I know that are absolutely, they're taking events, they're making them virtual, and they're upping their game.